How to fix common Instagram login errors quick and easy. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Instagram server status. Tap on any of the link there and see if the status is down. If the server status is down, then wait for 1 to 2 hours, as this likely could be a server issue. Next, open Instagram and then swipe up on it in order to force quit the app along with all the apps running in the background. Further, restart your iPhone and then try again, as many login loops clear after a reboot. Next, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. Try to relaunch and then try to sign in again and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, firstly go ahead and enable airplane mode and then wait for a few seconds and then disable airplane mode again. Next, you can try to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi to refresh the internet connection. Also, make sure that you have not enabled any type of VPN or proxy apps. Next, go to your home screen and long press on Instagram and you will see the remove app option. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. Once deleted, reinstall the app from your app store and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then tap on the forgot password option on the login screen and then choose email, SMS, or Facebook recovery. Further, go ahead and create a new password. And once created, log in again, and this works if Instagram temporarily locked your account. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix common Instagram login errors. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.